Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am teacher Mushtaq Ahmed Khan, UPS, Chipora. Today we will try to solve the questions of Science, class 8th. It is chapter 12, Light, page number 157, exercise. Let's start. Question number 1. Suppose you are in a dark room. Can you see objects in the room? Can you see objects outside the room? Explain. If इसका आंसर लिखोगे आप. If we are in a dark room, then we cannot see objects in the room as there is no light in the room. Then the objects inside the room cannot reflect any light. However, we can see the objects outside the room if there is light present. An object becomes visible when light reaches our eyes after being reflected by the light. Question number 2. Differentiate between regular and diffused reflection. Does diffused reflection mean the failure of the laws of reflection? Question number 2. Answer. Regular reflection takes place when light is incident on smooth, polished, and regular surfaces. Diffused reflection or irregular reflection takes place from rough surfaces. In regular reflection, all reflected rays are parallel to each other for parallel incident rays. But in diffused reflection, the reflected rays are not parallel to each other for parallel incident rays. In diffused reflection, each ray obeys the laws of reflection. Question number 3. Mention against each of the following whether regular or diffused reflection will take place when a beam of light strikes. Justify your answer in each case. Question number 3 के 6 पार्ट हैं. हमने देखना है कि क्या ये रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन है या डिफ्यूज्ड रिफ्लेक्शन है जब इन पर एक बीम ऑफ लाइट स्ट्राइक करती है. फिर हमें अपना आंसर जस्टिफाई भी करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पार्ट ए. आंसर. पॉलिश्ड वुडन टेबल. इट इज रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन. A polished wooden table has a smooth surface. Hence, reflection from the polished table will be regular. Part B. Chalk powder. Chalk powder, it is diffused reflection. Chalk powder spreads on a surface is an example of an irregular surface. It is not smooth. Therefore, diffused chalk reflection will take place from chalk powder. Part C. Cardboard surface. It is diffused reflection. Cardboard surface is an example of irregular surface. Hence, diffused reflection will take place from a cardboard surface. Part D. Marble floor with water spread over it. इसका आंसर आप लिखोगे marble floor with water spread over it. It is regular reflection. Marble floor with water spread over it is an example of a regular surface. This is because water makes the marble surface smooth. Hence, regular reflection will take place from this surface. It is part number E. Mirror. mirror, regular reflection. Mirror has a smooth surface, thus it will give a regular reflection. It is part E. Piece of paper. Piece of paper, diffused reflection. Although a piece of paper may look smooth, but it has many irregularities on its surface. Due to this reason, it will give a diffused reflection. Question number 4. State the laws of reflection. There are 2 laws of reflection. Number 1, आप आंसर लिखोगे. There are 2 laws of reflection. Number 1, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. ये पहला लॉ है, लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. और दूसरा लॉ है इसका, सेकंड लॉ. The incident ray, reflected ray and the normal drawn at the point of incidence to the reflected surface lie in the same plane. मैं फिर रिपीट करूंगा इसको. सेकंड लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. The incident ray, reflected ray and the normal drawn at the point of incidence to the reflecting surface lie in the same plane. आप इसके लिए इस क्वेश्चन की एक डायग्राम भी बनाओगे. पेज नंबर 146 ये वाली डायग्राम आप बनाओगे. इंशाल्लाह बाकी जो क्वेश्चन हैं हम वो दूसरे सेशन में करेंगे. तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़, बाकी वसलाम.